Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2013 Ram 1500 RT. Stock number 28287AT. Now this is a 4x2. Got the Hemi in it, the 5.7, automatic. It's got 69,000 miles on it. Dark gray in color. Can't remember if they called it back then a mineral gray or now it's a granite. Sharp truck. Got to put the chrome grille in it. There's your RT badging. We got LEDs. Guy put on it. They're even in the hood. In the headlights. Down the bottom of the grill by the fog lamps. Pretty sharp. It's got chrome 22s on it. Tires are in good shape. And as you see, it's just the regular cab. Tinted windows. Chrome the gas cap. Power seat. Now these, this is the RT seats in here. Got the mesh in the middle. Leather on the outside. Does have the 8.4 touchscreen radio. Trailer brake control. I love the center console in it. Cruise control. Hands-free telephone. Uconnect system. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power folding mirrors. Heated mirrors. Power driver's seat. Power lumbar. Spray-in bed liner. Power sliding rear window. Here's your RT striping. Down the bed there. Pretty sharp. It is equipped with a backup camera. Chrome tip dual exhaust. Tow package. Nice clean truck. Manual drivers. Interior's in great condition. (2013) Ram 1500 RT, 69,000 miles. Hemi. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.